Children, let's read the words with short E sound. W, N, W, N, when, when. T, N, T, N, ten, ten. P, N, P, N, pen, pen. L, it, L, it, let, let. M, it, M, it, met, met. S, it, S, it, sit, sit. W, it, W, it, wet, wet. It, fit, fit. K, it, K, it, kit, kit. Egg, egg, fig, fig. W, egg, W, egg, wig, wig. P, egg, P, egg, pig, pig. G, ill, G, ill, gill, gill. P, ill, P, ill, peel, peel. M, ill, M, ill, meal, meal. Children, let's read the words again. W, N, win. T, N, ten. P, N, pen. When, ten, pen. L, it, lit. M, it, met. S, it, sit. Lit, met, sit. W, it, wet. It, fit. K, it, kit. Wet, fit, kit. Egg, fig. W, egg, wig. P, egg, pig. Fig, wig, pig. G, ill, gill. P, ill, pale. M, ill, meal. Gill, peel, meal. Good job, children!